out in the field, get some interviews. Um, um, and are you how? What's your take on
On what?
because they out in the field, NBC News, use it. Yeah.
NBC News?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
And with the
They good.
uh-huh.
Yes.
And yeah.
Take five. I mean, five. They can forget that.
Oh yeah. Yeah. And oh yeah.
And CNN, they're good. Okay.
Yeah. It was a good time. Yeah. Yeah. Well.
When American news is not good. That's true.
Uh.
Yeah. See, I'm one of these people like I like the truth. Regardless of what it is. All right.
And yeah.
Okay. All right. So as long as they're telling the truth, I can live with it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Um